Welcome to 122 Baysdale Drive. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, the covered front porch, 2-car garage, is located in the Woodleigh Park neighborhood in Lake Carolina, Northeast Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and I-77. Great dining and shopping in Sandhills and Richland District 2 schools. So you can see outside the front of the home you have nice sidewalks and the neighborhood. This subsection of Lake Carolina also has its own playground as well. As we approach the front door, you'll see the covered front porch here, and we'll go ahead and take a look inside. So we enter into the open floor plan living and dining area, all open to the kitchen as well. So you can see on your left here you have the dining room. On the right, your living room, the ceiling fan, also a gas log fireplace as well, and crown molding throughout this level as well. In the kitchen, you can see you have a nice bar counter there, white appliances. So there's a side-by-side refrigerator with a water and ice dispenser, smooth top electric range, built-in microwave, as well as the dishwasher here. And then you also do have tile flooring there in the kitchen. So continuing on, and to our left here you have a half bathroom, and you have also where your washer and dryer connections are, full size, and the tile flooring is here in here as well. There's a coat closet on the right side. Then on through here you have laminate hardwood flooring in this area. This is sort of the back entry, so you have sort of a mudroom here, a nice entryway. You have some built-in shelving and hooks there. And this accesses the garage, which is a 1-car garage with automatic opener, as you can see there. Also where your water heater and electrical panel is. And then we'll take a quick look out back here just so you can see sort of how the back entry is. So you have sort of a covered area back here as well. And then you have a small driveway. And then your garage door, mailbox is out back as well. So you can see you enter your driveway from the back, sort of an access street that goes through the center of the block. Then we'll take a look upstairs. So you have wood going up the stairs there, and it's carpeted on the second level. So we'll go take a look at we'll take a look on the left first to the master bedroom. So you can see nice high ceilings. All 3 bedrooms have ceiling fans. Master is the nice size, has 2 large windows looking out towards the front of the home. Walk-in closet here, as well as a full bathroom, again with those tile floors. You have double vanities in here, large mirror. Some linen closets there. Commodes in the corner, and then you have a large garden style tub and shower. Your attic access is above us there in the hallway. Your second bathroom, single vanity, tile flooring in here as well, and a tub and shower. And then last but not least, you have 2 additional bedrooms in the upstairs level as well. This one looks out towards the back, and the backyard sort of backs up onto a wooded area right across from the access road there as well. Nice sized closet there. Your third bedroom and closet, and then there's also a small linen closet in the hall here as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 122 Baysdale Drive in Lake Carolina in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.